Morning mga Timbul Vlogs! Welcome sa video was vlog ngayong araw na to, August 22, 2024 here at Wellington, New Zealand. So, ngayon umpisa na natin mga Timbul Vlogs. On muna natin yung bus na gagamitin natin. Oh my goodness, hindi pa pala. On muna natin sa likod. Swamp, yeah. All good. Yeah, okay. Okay. 100%. Ba't kaya ganun? Battery. Okay. Check natin yung bus na gamit natin. Si bus number 5701 with registration plate number NNJ 799. This will expire on August 11, 2025. So, let's check it out. Pero bago yan, i-deploy muna natin yung school signs. All good. Check na natin yung mga all damage. And adjusters, all good. Medyo malamig pa rin dito mga Timbul Vlogs. All damage. Adjusters. Apat na lang mga nilalagay nilang adjusters. And this one is all good. Try natin yung all good. Yan sa ano, all damage. Let's go inside. Check natin yung mga handrails. If it's kung walang mga naglulus, yun lang. Wala naman naglulus. All good. So until next video was vlog. Paalam.